The Zambia Medicines Laboratory Authority ZAMRA has submitted that it did not issue any license to Honeybee Pharmacy Limited but to Honeybee Pharmacy, which was deregistered on 1st April 2020. This is according to a defense filed in the Lusaka High Court in a case where Honeybee Pharmaceuticals Limited has sued ZAMRA over the authority's decision to revoke its pharmaceutical license. The plaintiff is also seeking an injunction to restrain ZAMRA from publishing anything on social media and other platforms, calculating at injuring its reputation, among other reliefs. But ZAMRA in its defense states that the samples of medicines, allied substances supplied by Honeybee, were analyzed according to recognized international standards and were found to be out of specification to the set criteria. ZAMRA states that it was not privy to Honeybee Pharmacy Limited's contract and that it acted within its statutory mandate in all the actions it took in verifying the quality of medical products supplied by Honeybee Pharmacy Limited. ZAMRA further adds that it would verify during trial that Honeybee Pharmacy Limited was never granted any license by ZAMRA, but they only granted a license to Honeybee Pharmacy, a sole trader registered pursuant to the Registration of Business Names Act 2011, and the said entity was struck off and deregistered on 1st April 2020 at the Patents and Companies Registration Agency, PACRA. ZAMRA further states that it shall also verify during trial that its National Drug Quality Control Laboratory has authority pursuant Medicines and Allied Substances Act No. 3 of 2013 to analyze medicines and allied substances, and both the Zambia Bureau of Standards Laboratory and Medicines Control Authority of Zimbabwe, which analyzed the medical products supplied by Honeybee Pharmacy Limited, are certified laboratories. And so far, the defendant is not the procuring entity that receives the goods the plaintiff has stated as supplied. Margaret Chota, Movie TV News in Lusaka.